Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi. Hi.
This is Thursday's art enrichment video, and I'm coming to you from my kitchen with two little helpers. This is
Hello.
and this is
Lily.
and Rose's birthday is in 2 weeks. We're super excited. How old are you going to be?
4 years old.
4 years old. Are you excited for your sister? Okay, so Lily, what are we going to be doing today?
Making Play-Doh.
Making Play-Doh. Rosie, what is this?
Flour.
Flour. Lily, what is this?
Warm water.
Not just water, it's just water.
Okay.
And what is this, Rosie?
Salt.
Salt. And Lily?
Cookie dye.
Cookie dye. That's food coloring. And this is optional. You do not have to use it. If you just have these things, that's fine. You're also going to need a mixing bowl, something to mix with, and you need a 1 cup measure and a 1/2 cup measure. Now, Rosie, first, I'm going to get the cup of flour for you, Roro. An even cup. There you go. Dump it in your bowl. Good.
Sometimes flour can fly into the air.
Mhm.
So be careful, guys.
Thank you. All right, Lily, for you.
Well, very powdery. I'm going to do it down low so nothing goes in the air.
Okay, now
And
we
be
need
careful.
1/2 cup of salt. Oh, and you guys notice we also have newspaper down. Okay, Rosie, hold this. Put your spoon down. Hold the cup. You ready?
I'm just spreading it out. Even.
All right, dump it in.
That's a lot of salt, Mommy.
Yup, it is a lot of salt.
And you need a lot because
Hold.
you need a lot because you want a lot. And it's good with a lot of salt. Not very much salt left in this.
That's why we have 2 of them.
Yep.
Okay, hold on, don't dump it.
That's why we have a huge, that's a lot.
All right, dump it.
That's a lot, Mommy.
All right, Rosie, let's mix up
Do you
the
see
flour.
this? It looks like sugar.
Mm-hmm. Is it sugar?
No, it's salt and it kind of looks like snow too, guys.
Okay, dump it all in, girl. Okay, mix it up. Mix in the salt and the flour. It's 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of salt, and 1/2 cup of water. All right, Rosie, are you ready for your 1/2 cup of water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just to make sure you don't want to spill anything because it might be dangerous.
There you go.
If you spill something, it might get into your
You
mouth
ready?
and it might be gross.
Yeah, it's not going to be dangerous. This is just flour, water, and salt.
Yeah.
Absolutely
And
nothing
then
wrong with it.
mix it.
Yes, mix it. Mix it up.
And it might turn into Play-Doh, white Play-Doh. We don't want white Play-Doh, right? We want colored Play-Doh. I'm making orange, by the way.
I'm making pink.
She's going to make pink.
Blue.
Well, it kind of already looks like Play-Doh, but it's not ready.
Nope.
It looks like milk.
Rosie, can I help you mix?
Yeah, I got it.
It's just
Okay,
really
she's
hard
got
and
it.
lumpy.
Yep, we gotta keep mixing it. And eventually we're gonna transfer to our hands and mix it with our hands too.
Ooh, I wish I could do that right now.
Keep mixing just a little bit more.
Mama, can you take over for me, please?
Sure.
Or should I say Miss O'Keefe?
Miss O'Keefe.
Now can I try mixing this in my hand?
Not just yet.
Girl touched it. But it's okay. If you touch it before, it's totally fine.
Alright, now Lily, you are ready to mix it with your hands. Scoop it off of your spoon. Rosie, let me see please.
Ooh, it doesn't feel so good. Gross.
It should feel like slime. You make slime all the time.
It does not feel like slime. It feels like sugary dough or something.
Well you like sugar, so that should be good.
I wish I could taste it.
You can, but please don't. It's
Okay.
safe to eat. All right, Rosie, you ready to use your hands?
Yeah.
Okay, get in there and squish it.
Get it off. It feels so gross.
It's fine.
No, it does not.
Okay.
Boing, 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 boing.
Squish
Gross. I do not like this.
All right, let me do it.
No, no, no.
Oh, okay. She's got it.
It feels like sugary dough. Gross.
We make food here at the house a lot. Most of the time I'm doing baking, so that's why she keeps calling it a dough. Rosie, keep it in the bowl.
But it's really not dough.
No, it's
And
really
I can feel the salt. Gross.
not. She's a texture person. Don't worry, this is really quite fun. Rosie, is it fun? Okay,
Yeah.
squish it down
I'm gonna
into
get
the
up on
flour.
my knees just to make sure I get it off.
Squish, squish, squish.
Okay, let me do a little bit.
This is gross, by the way.
Rosie, keep it over.
Yay.
It's so fun making home Play-Doh.
I never made Play-Doh before. Ugh.
I always make it for them and then give it to
No, you don't, Mommy.
them. When you were younger.
Ugh.
Alright, Rosie, let me see this in front of me.
Trying to scratch my nose.
Alright, Rose's is almost there. See how it's one big clump?
But mine is not.
Oh, I'll help you too in just a second.
Really annoying. I gotta get everything off.
Yeah.
Great. Alright, Rosie. I think yours is ready for some color.
Ooh.
What color did you want?
Pink.
Pink. Okay. Now, to add color to the Play-Doh,
Look at this.
you can also section it into different parts. You could do like 3 different balls,
Ooh.
and then you can make 3 different colors. Rosie,
I want to do that.
do you want to do 2 different colors?
Or
Okay.
3.
What 2 colors do you want to do?
I want to do pink. I want to do pink.
No.
And green.
And green. Okay.
I want to do orange and pink.
So make a hole like this, Rosie. Oh, not that one. This one. All right. Here
Here you go.
is the pink.
Ooh,
That
looks
one. That one.
Do, 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 do.
You want 4 drops to make it extra
Super careful,
good.
Rosie. See this color?
Ooh, look.
We want to make
Mine's
sure that
turning
we
into
fold
Play-Doh.
the
Wanna
colors
rip it?
inside.
Okay, now let's do the green one.
Yes, let's do the green one. Bloop.
Well, I still have a lot of flour in me.
Okay, hold on.
Can I do this one?
Sure.
I'm in this
squeeze it.
piece.
Do, do, do.
Turning into Play-Doh, all right.
Smoosh it so all the colors on the inside. Oh, I got your hand. It's okay. Her hand's gonna be green, but that's fun, right?
Yeah.
You can always wash it off, right, Mommy?
For the most part, it will come clean. Yeah. All right, Rosie, keep folding it. All right, Lily, your turn.
I have a tattoo, so it might be the.
Oh, your tattoo will be fine. It's a little temporary tattoo.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's not a real one.
That'll be a tattoo.
Real ones, you have to go to a place and get them done.
Yeah.
All right. Lily, yours is good.
Yay!
Nice and soft. Good.
I want to do 3 different colors.
All right. Since you are a big kindergartner, you divide it into 3 different.
That's kindergarten.
I'm the pre-K ones, so I could choose like over mine, and it's nice and green and pink.
I can make a lot of different ones, right?
Yes.
I'll make as many as I want.
And we might need to add a little bit more color.
Mine.
I'm just dusting my hands off
See
because
the color starting to come through.
Yeah.
you're needing it, Mommy.
Yes, we need the Play-Doh.
I'm gonna go. Wait, which one is pink?
Which one do you think is pink?
This one.
Yeah, the lighter one is pink, the darker one is purple.
Okay.
And I want a purple
Oh,
one.
careful, Robo, you're knocking stuff everywhere. Let's move that piece. Just keep it in your hands and keep mixing.
That should be enough. Ah! That squirted out.
You'll be okay.
gross. Now I'm gonna have a stained hand.
No.
It's fun, isn't it, Rosie?
Yeah.
Kind of. I don't like stained hands.
You can always wear gloves, too.
Yeah, I prefer gloves.
Look at that thing.
All right, Rosie, this is a cute pink Play-Doh.
Ew.
Can you help me?
Yes, I will. All right,
It's
ladies
turning into red.
and gentlemen. So this Play-Doh is like all Play-Dohs. If you leave it out, it's going to dry up. So when you're not playing with it, you need to have it into a sealed container, like
Bag or a
Tupperware,
yeah.
a plastic with a lid. All right, Rosie, you keep mixing that green.
Look,
Do you want some more
Mommy,
green
look.
color?
Yeah.
Let's get you some more green color.
Ooh, pick a hole, pick a hole. We need one.
Okay, can Mommy close it up for you?
Sure.
Mine squirted out, so it's okay.
Oh, you did a pretty good job, Rosie. Stop.
See this? It's turning to pink. And I have stained hands. But it's okay.
All right.
I think
Here
it
you
will
go, Robo.
wash off. I hope it will too.
All right, Lily, what
Look
other
at
color?
Blue.
Blue.
And then we're gonna mix orange. I mean, yellow and red.
So if you pinch it together, fold it inside,
I'm gonna start to squirt out.
Really good.
take another piece of Play-Doh, put it on top. You seal the color inside, let it soak into the dough.
This does not feel like Play-Doh.
No, it doesn't feel like regular Play-Doh you buy at the store.
How do they make regular Play-Doh? Do they add more water or some milk?
Well, they don't use as much salt, and they have a bunch of other ingredients.
Like egg?
No, definitely not egg. Oh,
Yeah.
man,
yeah,
I got
sugar?
blue too.
Mommy!
I am.
You might want to be careful too.
You mixing my
You might get stained. But it's okay. I think if you take a bath or a shower, it will eventually come off. Or if you wash your hands a bunch of times, maybe over a week it will go away.
It'll come off after about 2 days.
Okay.
Especially if you wash your hands the right way with counting up to 20 seconds or singing a song.
Like ABC or Happy Birthday 2 times in a row.
Yep. All right.
Look at my pink Play-Doh! Yay!
I got pink
Can I get the
Play-Doh
yellow
too.
No.
No yellow?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you.
That one red?
No, it looks like it's red, but it's really yellow. You see how the lid is yellow?
It's yellow. I'm gonna test out something. I'm gonna try pink and blue together.
Make
And-
what color?
Maybe purple or something.
Mm-hmm.
1 drop. What? 2 drops of
2
this.
drops.
And oops, I Play-Doh. And 2 drops of blue. Hopefully it might make purple. I don't know. And we're recording on my iPad.
Yeah, we couldn't get the webcam in here, so we had to improvise. Ooh, I don't like how you lift these lids off. Can you close up those colors for me, please?
What is that?
Blows up the colors.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm gonna have a more stained hand.
See how they just fell over?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I wanted them closed.
Mommy, this one.
Game on, glitter girl.
Yes.
I just have that song stuck in my head. I don't know why, but it's okay.
All right, Lily,
I
what's
have
this last color
the
gonna
other
be?
song stuck in my head.
Orange?
Green. Yeah, orange.
Orange.
Can I mix it together, please?
Mommy.
Sure, why don't you put it in there and I'll squish it for you. Oh, no, you don't have to mix it. We got an orange. Oh, no, we don't. You're right. Okay, go ahead. Give me like 3. And put the lid right back on.
Mommy.
And here's the red.
Mommy.
3 drops of this too.
What's the matter?
How will we add 1 drop of this color?
Here, do you want to make it a darker green?
Oh, Mommy, wait.
Okay, waiting.
Make it 1, 2 drops of this. Oh yeah.
Careful.
Mm. Ew.
Whoa. I'm gonna keep working. I'm getting some pink in it. It's okay. Oh no, I got blue stain.
I know, my hands are all kind of stained.
Ugh. Now it's turning out blue. Ugh. Here in my mouth. Blech.
This is a really good orange.
I know.
This is kind of tricky.
Alright, this is turning out to be blue, not purple. It's rippy.
Maybe you should add some more
Pink?
pink.
Yeah, that might help.
Yeah, good job. Oh man, my fingers got orange.
It's the fun of getting messy, right?
Yeah. Finally giving messy.
That's a lot of pink.
Can I squish that for you?
Go.
Oh no!
That's why we have a lot of newspaper down. Okay, I'm gonna clean this up a little bit.
My hands are getting really stained. I'm sad.
My hands are all stained, but I'm not sad.
Nope, because we are
Having fun.
Fun.
I hope this will turn out purple and not blue. It's turning like red blue. Do you see that? That's the pink and it's turning out to be red.
Just keep mixing it. I'm sure we'll get to purple.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't like my stained hands.
We'll go wash them here in a second.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, we're going to keep playing with our Play-Dohs, but we're going to say goodbye to you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Happy creating.
And I need more pink.
Say happy creating.
Happy creating. I need more pink.